Hey everyone, it's Lena and Ben Soifer with the Soifer Group, and welcome to our brand new lease listing here at Prime Commercial Space in Malibu. This is one of Malibu's most iconic locations, located on 28955 Pacific Coast Highway, also known as Kanan Crossing.
That's right on the corner of PCH and Kanan, 45,000 cars per day. We have 8,800 square feet of contiguous space. Check it out. We have 8,800 square feet of available space, available immediately. The usage can be medical, office, or fitness, and more. Thanks for visiting Kanan Crossing.